Happy anniversary! This video marks 1 year of flying FPV. It's been an amazing year, so I wanted to share some highlights and show the progress that I've achieved over the last 12 months. At the end, I'm also going to do an exciting announcement about a giveaway and some stuff about year 2. This is probably a bad idea. Right, here we go. Back to the beginning. So here it is, a year's progress in FPV, and as it's the first year, it is of course a year of firsts. I got a hell of a lot out of the first year of FPV, and I thought it would be really cool for the second year to give back where I can. So I'm going to start by giving away this 5-inch custom build quad. It's based on a Hyperlite Glide frame, and it's got box cutter 2450 kV motors, full setup of 4-in-1 ESC, Omnibus F4 V6 flight controller, Chaos VTX, Runcam Robin camera, and yeah, all in this nice orange theme. So along with that, I'll give away spare antennas, spare propellers, spare straps. What else have we got here? Yeah, some anti-slip battery pads. So a whole bunch of goodies and extras, and yeah, that'll be going to someone for completely free. You can be anywhere in the world. That will cover postage, all you have to do is comment and subscribe. If you're already subscribed, just leave a comment, and if you're not, then do it if you want to win, and then I'll randomly pick someone in the comments and announce the winner in the next video. Every video we'll try and give away a small prize, and then every now and then, maybe once a month, maybe once every 2 months, we'll give away a high ticket item. So I have a few lined up, and I won't spoil the surprise yet, and hope that you will join me and subscribe, and this year we can give back to the community that has given me so much this year. And yeah, here's to getting better and getting everyone in the air. Happy flying, I guess. Thanks for watching.